Welcome to another eAcademy episode dedicated to the Versa Plus control panel. Today we will discuss how to configure the voice module integrated into the Versa Plus mainboard. The module makes it possible to play back voice messages for telephone notification and also offers interesting voice control functionality, which allows you to operate the control panel by using the telephone keypad and voice menu, commonly used in the automatic service centers. You can get exactly the same effect from the Versa Plus control panel. How to create telephone notification messages, voice messages, and macro commands. These are the subjects we will present today. What do we need for that? The Versa Plus set with transformer and battery, as well as the INT TSG touchscreen keypad, and also a PC computer running the Windows operating system. The DLoadX and VG soft programs, which can be downloaded free of charge from our website, and the mini USB cable. Okay, let's start configuring the module. The control panel is already running in the service mode. Start the DLoadX program. Connect the control panel to the PC using the mini USB cable. Accept the USB connection message and read data from the control panel. And then perform identification. When this is complete, the INT VG module will appear on the list of expansion modules in the Structure/Hardware window. Highlight it and go to the tab with the list of voice notification messages. Click the button at the bottom of the screen to run the previously installed VG soft program. The program is starting. A message appears to inform you about the connection to a new module and data reading. Click OK and read the data. Go to the module configuration window. There are two sections in the window on the left side. The first of them is Messages, where you can define the content of the messages. Welcome, names of partitions, zones, outputs, expanders, users, and macros. For the welcome message, enter the content Welcome to the Versa Plus alarm system. Go to the Names item to enter names for the individual partitions. Enter the name Home for the first partition, and Garage for the other one. In the same way, you can give names to the other components. You can also use a simpler solution by going to the tab Names INT VG / Control Panel, where you can import the names of partitions, zones, outputs, and other components from the control panel. We will import in turn the names of the zones, either one by one, or all of them in one go. And similarly, the names of outputs, 4 names to be imported, expanders, and then the users. In the same way, you can import the notification messages from the control panel if only they have been predefined. The last item in the Message section is Menu, where you can preview the names of voice menu messages which are not editable. Now let's go to the Notification Messages section. You will see a list of 16 notification messages, which you can define by typing in the message content, or by loading a pre-recorded audio file in WAV or MP3 format. Define the first message, enter the content, for example, armed. In the Synthesizer window, select the appropriate message synthesizing service. Then click the Synthesize button. The message duration in seconds will appear. Click Test to listen to the ready-to-use message.
Armed.
Now we will define another message, but we will do it in a different way, by loading a pre-recorded file with an attention alarm message. After loading, you can see the duration of the recording and play it back.
Attention alarm.
We already have 2 messages prepared, so let's now go to the Macros tab, where we will create a typical macro that will arm both partitions and will enable the first output. We will select the first macro and designate it the active one. Below, select the number of output that is to be turned on. We will select the first output. Then proceed to arming, where both partitions should be selected. Okay, the macro is ready. To finish configuring the messages, go to the Messages tab and click the Synthesize All button. The synthesizing of all messages begins. During this process, you can see changing designations at the given message. After the process of synthesizing is finished, save the settings to the module. And that's it for today. Our module is ready for playback of voice messages and for voice control, which we will present in the next installment. We will also show you how to dial up the voice control panel and navigate through the voice menu. As usual, for more detailed information on the topic discussed in today's episode, please follow the link under the video. Thank you for your attention. We invite you to watch the next episodes of the E Academy. See you next time.